Hey guys, my name is Bill Tatsis and I'm so excited for this video because I will teach you how to use the Coinbase app, which is one of the leading crypto platforms out there. It will allow you to buy and sell cryptos quickly and secure. It is suitable for beginners, and if you follow all the instructions on this video, you and I will be able to receive $10 or €8 worth of Bitcoin. So pull your phones out and let's get started. So click the like and subscribe button to show me that you're here, cause I can't see you. It would be strange if I could, but with this you can show me your support. So anyway, grab your phones and let's begin. So go to the App Store or Play Store depending on the phone type and search for Coinbase. It's the app with the blue icon and the letter C. Tap to download it and wait. When it finishes, and here is the crucial part, as I told you initially, we can both receive a small reward if you use the link in the description. So if you're watching this video from your phone, expand the description area and click the provided link in the description. If you don't do that, we will not get the free Bitcoin reward. It's a referral link from my account. If you don't know what exactly it is, I'm posting it here in the video as well for easiness. The link that you search in the description is this one, coinbase.com/join/tatsis_9. When you click on the link, it will open the browser app, and then we can continue with the registration process. You have to input your real first and last name. Don't fill them with names like Spider-Man, Sweet Potato and Satoshi Nakamoto. Okay. Next, type your email address and choose a strong password. Be creative and store it somewhere. After that, you have to verify your email address. Check your mailbox, press the provided link and log in. You also have to answer some questions about yourself. This is a typical phase known as know your customer information, so don't be scared about the personal information. After this, you will be able to use the platform. Press next, scroll and read this useful info, press I acknowledge and then yes or no depending on if you want personalized updates. Here you have to secure your account and verify your identity. Enter your phone number and fill in the code that you will receive. Next, fill in the citizenship, your date of birth, and enter an address that you want to provide the corresponding document in your name to verify your identity. Finally, some more questions about your job and how many cryptocurrencies trades you are thinking to do. It's just an estimation, so select the closest to your preferences. After these questions, you have to verify your photo ID. After that, all you have to do is take a picture of your ID or your driver's license, and after that they will process your information and send you an email once you are verified. You also need to provide a document to verify your address, like a bill or a bank statement. Then use the camera again to upload the corresponding document and wait for the verification again. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below. You can watch the whole video now, and when you are verified, you can come again to watch it and follow the instructions. Firstly, you see an Add Payment button. Hit it and you will see these three options. First, there is a PayPal option, but it's only for withdrawals, at least at the time of this video. After that, the bank account option is the best option for many reasons, including the fees. If you select this type, you can add any bank account to make and accept SEPA payments. And third and last option, you can connect a credit debit card, but you also need to add a bank or wallet to sell. The card option is the quickest, but you will face higher fees and it's not the best option. That's why I advise you to select the bank account. Hit it and then you have to make a small transaction to verify your account. Once you select the desired amount, open your bank app and complete the transaction to the provided details. Be careful to use a bank with the same name as provided here. Then press the button over here to copy the corresponding information. The first one is the IBAN, in which you will send the money. Then there is a reference number that is necessary for the transaction. Don't forget to include it in the transaction, okay? Review the information and complete the transaction. To clarify, for both of us to get the free Bitcoin reward, you will need to fund your account with around 100 euros or dollars and then buy some cryptos in less than 180 days. So suppose you watched some of the previous videos of this channel and decided to invest some money, and as I have repeated, money that you will not need because the crypto market is too volatile. In that case, you can continue with the selected amount for the reward. This is not a financial advice, so act by yourself. Otherwise, if you don't want to invest some money right now, you can select a smaller amount to verify your bank account and continue the tutorial. Whatever the selected amount, you will have to wait around 1 to 3 business days and you will get an email when it is ready. I did the same and funded my account with 100 euros to show you exactly how to buy some cryptos. But before we buy, let's explore a little bit the interface of the app. First, we have a watch list of the biggest cryptocurrencies and below that the top movers. You can also select Bitcoin and see how the price fluctuated for the last hour, day, month, year, or even the whole time from the beginning. Then there is a section with some helpful information and lessons you can watch and earn some rewards. And finally, we have some news about cryptocurrencies. In the next tab, we have our portfolio balance here, and we can see we have 100 euros. Next, there is a blue icon where you can buy or sell crypto. If you want to receive the reward, you have to buy from here. I advise you to do it only once to get the reward, and after that I will show you a better way to avoid the high fees, cause you are watching a personal finance channel, right? Then there is the prices tab, in which you can see some information about the market, and the For You tab with plenty of informational videos to watch and some news. So let's go and buy some cryptos now and get the reward. Press the blue icon and select buy. After that, select the crypto you want. I will choose Bitcoin. Press the dots and type 100. You can see how many Bitcoins you can buy if you press this button. Check the one-time purchase and tap preview buy. You will see that you are buying at the current market price, and here is the fee I told you. It's too high, but you will receive the reward, so it's worth it. Then press buy now and that's all. Moreover, as I told you, to avoid the high fees for your next purchases, I will show you a trick. So you have to install the Coinbase Pro app. Go in the App Store or Play Store again and type Coinbase Pro. Download it and log in with a Coinbase account. It is better to use the Coinbase Pro app to buy and sell cryptos because it offers lower fees than the Coinbase app. The best thing is that you can transfer the money from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro with one click. But keep in mind that the reward can only be received through the Coinbase app, not the Pro. Tap the second icon here and let's transfer the money from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro. Select deposit and then euros or dollars, and then coinbase.com. In the amount, tap the amount you want and press deposit. That's all. Otherwise, you can directly deposit with your bank account as we did before in the Coinbase app. You can withdraw directly to your bank account in both apps, so it's pretty convenient, and you need only your phone. For those curious, the Coinbase Pro app follows the same interface structure as Coinbase. here we have our portfolio next to the completed orders, and finally the account's information. Moreover, the Coinbase Pro app offers the limit order option. This is convenient in cases that you want to buy some cryptos not with the current price of the market but with lower, for example. Let's try to buy some bitcoins. Press the buy button and then you will face this. First, there is the limit price, in which you can enter the desired price that you want to buy if the price drops at this price or lower. You can also check the current price of the market here. So that's all that you need to know about the app and how to avoid the high fees. Thanks again for watching me. Smash the like button and subscribe to the channel to get all the updates. Don't forget to enable the notifications button for this, and I will see you guys next Monday. Thanks.